Who says you need an oven or a mixer to bake a delicious cake? Not us. Today we're making a soft, fluffy, moist cake with just simple ingredients and nothing more. So let's get started. First, I have my margarine and sugar and I'm mixing them in a bowl using a wooden turner. No mixer, no problem. This turner will do just what the mixer does. This step is the secret to a light and fluffy vanilla cake. But I won't lie, it's also the hardest part. You need to mix until it turns pale and fluffy. I mixed mine for about 30 minutes, taking breaks in between because let's be real, this is an arm workout. Make sure to scrape the sides as you mix so everything combines perfectly. And once the color has changed and it's nice and fluffy, we are good to go. Now I'll be adding in my eggs. So I'll be adding eggs bit by bit and mix. Don't forget to scrape the sides again. Now I am adding vanilla extract for extra flavor. Give it a quick mix. Here I have flour which I sieved 4 times. Yes, 4 times. These extra steps makes the cake fluffy and moist. And I'm also adding baking powder, salt, and I'll mix everything together until it is well combined. For our buttermilk, I'll be combining milk and lime juice or lemon juice and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the cake extra softness. Now we'll add the dry ingredients and buttermilk bit by bit. And fold gently. Please do not over mix. Just fold until everything is well combined. And that's it. Our cake batter is ready. Next, I'm going to be prepping the cake pan by coating it with margarine and flour. This makes sure our cake slides out easily after baking. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I post relatable food content. Now for our do-it-yourself oven. Yes, a do-it-yourself oven. In a large pot, I am adding washed stones or any heat-proof barrier you can find. Let this heat up for about 10 minutes. Then place the cake pan inside and cover pot and let it cook on really low heat. If the heat is too high, your cake will burn. I baked mine for about 45 minutes. You will know if it's ready when you insert a spoon or a toothpick and it comes out as clean as mine. Another trick, if the cake pulls away from the side of the pan, it's done. Look at this beauty. It's so moist, fluffy, and delicious. Yes, it's delicious. I assure you that. I promise you this cake is worth the wait. If you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to like this video. And if you have any question, drop in your comment. Thank you for watching.